Today we talk about one important example related to that topics. Okay, here we considered Zn. We known about that Zn class is a group in previous class lecture, and now we also discuss about that Zn dot with respect to modulo n is a commutative group or not. That means it's form a group or not. Okay, we also discuss this one today. Here certain we also define dot n on certain. Okay, by what? By here class A dot n class B equal to class of AV. Okay, in this way we define this one, and this one for all AV, for all class A class B belongs to Zn. Understood? This one is, that means this one form a group or not. Okay, we also first discuss this one now. That means if we include this 0, then what happened? If we include this 0, then this one obviously become all are 0. Okay, so that means 0 creates some problem, 0 class. Okay, if we talk about 0, then multiplication with respect to modulo n with 0 class, this one becomes 0, so not a meaning at all. Okay, so that means this 0 class creates some problem here. So what we do now, we also talk about those ones. That means Zn difference is 0 class. Okay, then what happened, we also talk about then this one is possible or not. Okay, then I think this one, this n is a binary, is a binary operation on Zn. Okay, operation on Zn, sorry, on Zn. Understood? Not a problem at all. If we understood this one easily, then that means this one is n divide a, n divide b, then implies n divide a. Okay, not a problem at all. But then this one, if this one is binary operation on Zn, then we also talk about that this one is binary difference, that means operation on Zn difference 0. Understood? And obviously then this not n, that means multiplication with respect to modulo n is associative also. How this one become associative, we also talk about now. This one is too easily known about that, this a n b. Okay, here not with respect to modulo n c equal to ab with respect to c equal to abc. Understood? And here in this way a n b not n c. Okay, equal to here a not n bc equal to here abc. Understood? Not a problem at all. Then this one is associative, and obviously this one is a binary operation. Now we're going to discussion about that. That means one is the identity element. This one also happen, I think. That means we talk about now a modulo dot with respect to modulo n and class 1 equal to here a. Okay, equal to here 1 dot n with modulo n with that means dot with respect to modulo n and here class a. This one happen, so we talk about here this one is that means have that means one is the identity element. Okay, one is the identity element. Class 1 is the identity element. Understood? Not a problem at all. So now we're going to discussion about inverse of each element. Okay, inverse is exist or not. So now we erase that portion and going to further discussion about that inverse is exist or not. Okay, I think all are understood this one easily. Okay, inverse is exist or not. That means I also talk about in this way. If we consider some example z6 0, okay, this one, then what happened? Then 2, okay, 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 0, that means 6, and equal to 3 2, then this one becomes 0. Okay, that means this one is have some problem. Okay, that means 2 3 is not, that means 2 3 2 have no inverse. Okay, and 3 have no inverse. Understood? That means this one is not closed, I think. Okay, so or not inverse also. Then z6 here we also talk 1 5 equal to 1 1 equal to what? 1, and 5 5 equal to what? 1, and we talk about 2 2, not 2, not possible. Okay, 2 3 not possible, and here 4 also not possible, I think. Okay, 3 3 3, 3 also not possible. So just 1 and 5. Understood? Just 1 and 5 have inverses. Okay, that means if we talk 4, then what happened? 4 3 equal to 0. Okay, that means 4 4 16, not, that means this becomes what? Here 4, and 4 3 4 to 8, this becomes 2, then 4 1 4, so 4 have no inverse. Okay, and obviously 3 have no inverse. If we write 3 3 9 3 4 0 3 5, then 3, okay, and 3 1 3 3 0, 0 is not here, so there is some problem. Okay, there is some problem occur here. So how we remove a problem? That means when zn difference, that means 0 class have an have any element have inverse, so we write it in this way: zn difference 0 class. Okay, or we write here class 0, then this one have, that means this one then this one is not a group, obviously not a group, and since every element have not inverse exist, so we now talk about in this way how when this inverse is exist. Okay, that means if A belongs to Zn. Okay, and Zn difference 0 class, this one is better. Then what happened? Then obviously then A have, then this class A has inverse, has an inverse if and only if, okay, if and only if GCD of AN equal to 1. Understood? GCD of AN equal to 1. Not a problem at all. So we now discuss this one. Okay, and we also then we also this one we write in this way: un equal to those class A belongs to Zn. Okay, difference 0 class, such that here GCD of AN equal to 1. Understood? This one exists, then I think this UN become a group with respect to modulo multiplication modulo n. Okay, so we also prove this one. Since A has an inverse if GCD of AN equal to 1. We now prove these topics. Then we also write it now: UN become a group with respect to, and obviously this one become the commutative group also. Okay, then this one become commutative group with respect to multiplication modulo n. So how we then discuss this one? We write it now: let AN, this class AN belongs to Zn. Okay, Zn difference 0, this one is better because we will not talk about 0 class. Then what happened? Then we first suppose that, okay, suppose that what, GCD of AN equal to 1. We first let this one. Then what happened? Then there exists BR belongs to Z such that AR, sorry, AB plus NR equal to 1. Understood? Not a problem at all. Then this implies that what, here AB difference 1 equal to minus NR. Okay, AB difference R equal to minus NR. Okay, this implies that what, this implies that, okay, this implies that here AB, class AB equal to 1, class 1. Okay, and this or class A with respect to modulo multiplication with respect to modulo n, class B equal to 1. Understood? Okay, not a problem at all. Then what happened is here this one, then since AB equal to BA, this one happened. So what happened? That means we also write it now here, B multiplication with respect to modulo n1 A equal to 1. Okay, then this implies what? So this class A has an inverse. Okay, this class A has an inverse. Not a problem at all. Okay, so we'll also discuss next one. Now here conversely what happened? Suppose this class A belongs to Zn. Okay, and a is Zn difference 0 class 0. Okay, then what happened? Then a has inverse. A has an inverse. Okay, then there exists class B belongs to Zn. Okay, such that what? Such that, sorry, B belongs to Zn difference 0. Okay, B belongs to Zn difference 0 such that what? Such that class A class B equal to class 1. Okay, understood? And this implies what? This implies that n difference AB minus 1. n divides AB minus 1. Okay, then what happened? So AB difference 1 equal to NR. Okay, for some R belongs to Z. For some R belongs to Z. Okay, not a problem at all. So then what happened? Thus AB, okay, difference in R equal to 1. Okay, hence GCD of AN equal to 1. Hence GCD of AN equal to 1. Okay, this implies what? This implies UN. Okay, this implies what? This implies UN dot N be a group. Understood? Then now we erase that portion and going to further discussion about that. This one also obviously become a commutative group. Okay, that means how this one happen. Then Zn difference this one. Okay, Zn difference 0 class, Zn difference 0 class. Okay, with respect to multiplication modulo n is not a group. Okay, but UN the multiplication modulo n is a group. Okay, now we also talk about class A class B belongs to UN, and then here a class A modulo n class B equal to class AB equal to here class B modulo n class A. Okay, hence UN dot n is a commutative group. Understood? Not a problem at all, I think. So we also discuss this one Zn with respect to multiplication modulo n, how become a group. Okay, we also discuss easily. And where UN equal to what? Where UN equal to, okay, those class belongs to Zn difference 0 class. Okay, such that GCD of AN equal to 1. Understood? So today I stop here. If you get this type of video, please subscribe my channel and please follow this video regularly and obviously see this video. If you have any questions, comment, suggestions, write it in comment box, and if you want to give like, please click on like options. So thank you. I stop here.